I never thought creating your own avatar would be this easy. So let's get started. Open any browser and search APOB AI. Click on the first link. Log in with any of your ID and click on create portrait model. You have two options: click to upload image, or you can give inputs to AI to create a reference image. I will proceed with reference image. I'll upload one image. Please wait until the image is uploaded. Our image is uploaded. Click on save button. If you want to rename your model name, you can give a name. I'll type test. If you want to give any description, you can give it. I'll give young man. Young handsome man. Create your image model now. Wait until your model is getting ready. Once your model is ready, you will be able to create avatar the same image. As you can see, we have got a prompt. Your model is ready. Let's type any prompt. Cinematic God person holding gun wearing blazer medium shot here I'll select style. I'll select manga and architecture. I'll select bustling city and landscape. I'll select groove, age, young, clothing, suit, weather, night. Click on generate. I'll change the size to 16:9 and click on generate. As you can see, our generations are ready. You can download whichever image you like. You can try with various styles available here. Try this too and let me know in the comment section.